Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. November 17, there is an atmosphere of panic among the people in Nabagram under Nituria block of Purulia district as the elderly and children of the village are suffering from a dirahia. The villagers complained that they were suffering from a dirahia due to the use of tube well water in village. At the present, a medical camp has been set up in the village. Dr. Subhas Mahto, BMOH of MDE Block Hospital has confirmed the spread of diarrhea in the village and the deaths of the child due to it. However, they could not reveal the names of the deceased and the deceased. According to the information, six children were admitted to Haramdi Block Primary Health Center on Tuesday due to suffering from the diarrhea. One of them, 6 to 7 years old of child, died during treatment. When the news of this incident spread in the village, panic spread among all the villagers and with it the terror spread in the village. The villagers believe that this incident has taken place due to the use of tube well water. According to the health worker of the medical camp, a medical team has been arranged in the village regarding this incident. The causes of this tragic incident will be investigated. Simultaneously, tap water will be tested at the same time until the people of the village recover. The medical team will set up the camp and arrange proper treatment for the villager.
থেকে বলছি যে আমাদের গ্রামে একটা দুর্ঘটনা ঘটে গেল। ঠিক আছে, একটা বাচ্চা ছেলে তার পাতলা পায়খানা, বমি, হ্যাঁ, আরও আদার্স গ্রামের অনেক ছেলের শরীর অবস্থা খারাপ। হ্যাঁ, সেই জন্য ডাক্তারবাবুরা এসেছেন।
কি কারণে হয়েছে?
কী কারণে? আমাদের এখানে ধরুন না পানীয় জলের ব্যবস্থা আছে, না আপনার পুকুরে চান করার ব্যবস্থা আছে, কিছুই নেই। হ্যাঁ, আর কারখানার ডাস্ট ধরুন। তো ছেলেরা
কতজন মোটামুটি এরকম?
মোটামুটি এখন প্রায় বলতে গেলে গোটা গ্রামের অবস্থা খারাপ। না পানীয় জল আছে, না আপনার
শুধু কি বাচ্চাদের হচ্ছে না বড়দের?
না, বড়দেরও হচ্ছে, বাচ্চাদেরও হচ্ছে, বিশেষ করে বাচ্চাদের ইয়া করি।
এখন বাচ্চারা কোথায় ভর্তি আছে?
এখন বাচ্চারা আমাদের প্রথমে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে আপনার হারমারি হসপিটাল, তারপরে সালকা হসপিটালে এফআইআর করে দিচ্ছি।
কতজন মারা গেছে?
মোটামুটি সকালে আজ রিপোর্ট এখন পর্যন্ত একজন মারা গেছে, আর অনেক শরীরের অবস্থা ভালো নেই।
কি নাম বাচ্চাটা?
বাচ্চাটা কি নাম? অটল অটল থানেদার। ঠিক আছে, তার ছেলে বেটে বড় ছেলে বেটে ছেলে।
কত বয়স হতে পারে মোটামুটি?
বয়স মোটামুটি 7 থেকে 8 বছর হতে পারে।
আমরা তো বুঝতে পারছি না।
কি নাম আপনার? কি নাম?
আমার নাম রুকময় খাস, নবগ্রাম থেকে বলছি।
Play Smart, Play Epic. Asansol contact number is 8695607709. Another number is 18001233 Supreme Court Wednesday appointed retired Punjab and Haryana High Court Judge Rakesh Kumar Jain to monitor the investigation in Lakhimpur Kheri matter. It also reconstituted that the Special Investigation Team SIT by appointing 3 more senior police officers of bench headed by Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana said that the Justice Jain Commission will ensure impartiality and independence of investigation. The bench also comprising of Justice Surya Kant and Hema Kohli said the investigation will be continued by the SIT, adding the matter will be listed for hearing again after the charge sheet is filed. On the basis of the status report, 8 people, including 4 farmers, were killed in the violence during a farmer protest in Lakhimpur Kheri. 13 people, including Union Minister of State for Home Ajay Mishra's son Ashish Mishra, have been arrested so far in connection with the case. Justice Jain, enrolled as a advocate with the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana in May 1982 and started his legal practice at the District Court of Hisar. He was elected as a judge of Punjab and Haryana High Court on December 5, 2007 and retired on September 30, 2020. Earlier, the Apex Court had expressed dissatisfaction over what it said is the mixing up of investigation in the case pertaining to the October 3 incident. To ensure the evidence are recorded independently and 3 is no overlapping and there is no intermixing of the evidence, we are trying to appoint a retired judge from a different high court to monitor to investigation on day-to-day basis. We are not confident. We don't want judicial commission appointed by your state to continue, the CGI had said. What it appears to us is that this SIT, Special Investigation Team, somehow or other is unable to maintain investigation distance between the cases, and said Justice Surya Kant, who is part of the 3 judge bench headed by Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana. He added to ensure that evidence are recorded independently and there is no overlapping and there is no intermixing of the evidence. We are trying to appoint a retired judge from a different high court to monitor the investigation on day-to-day basis. We are not confident. We don't want judicial commission appointed by your state to continue. Advocate Hari's self appearing for the UP government agreed to the bench suggestion and stated that it may appoint a judge from any state. The bench further noted the other concern is you have to upgrade the task force. They have to be higher officers. Most officers are in the grade of sub inspector from a Lakhimpur Kheri region, Justice Surya Kant said. Play smart, play epic. Asansol contact number is 86956077709. Another number is 18001233 Farmer organizations have been protesting agriculture policies enacted by the central government for almost a year. Rakesh Tikait, national spokesperson of Bharatiya Kisan Union (BHAKIU), will travel to Lucknow on November 22nd to attend the Mahapanchayat. Farmers are coming to Lucknow. He was informed that Yogi government, this Mahapanchayat will take place in Eco Garden, which is near to the Lucknow railway station on the other side. In response to Rakesh Tikait remarked that our gathering would be peaceful. Rakesh Tikait has now stated that we are not going to wage any battle in Lucknow and the Yogi is the state chief minister and he needs to inform them that farmers are coming. Our meeting will take place in a calm environment. Farmers should know right away that they will have talks, Tikait stated. Physiotherapy clinic, male and female. For contact 70474568555. Call on this number. Mahua. Saharanpur. According to Surjit Sen Gupta, waiting hours of 55,000 of steel worker and thousands of officers are over. Amidst controversy, the 58 months long pay agreement of Steel Authority of India personnel was finally sealed by the steel minister after a tug of war, after which now due to the arrears of from April 2020 till now have to be paid among 55,000 personals. On the other hand, the officials are going to get the huge amount in form of errors. The MOU of the pay agreement has been approved by the Ministry of Steel after the board meeting of SAIL after the signing of three union and management. It received approval from the Ministry of Steel last evening. With the approval, the amount is also ready to be sent to the account of personnel and officers. President of ISCO Officers Association Susil Suman said that the salary agreement of officers and personnel has been approved by the steel minister. The order will be issued shortly. Along with this, errors will also be paid soon. Admission open. Motion Durgapur Center. For contact, you can call us 94348 22278 8901 00080. Forest Sarkar camp. On the one hand, preparation for municipal election are in full swing. Municipal election. It was in this atmosphere that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee held an administrative meeting in North Chobis Pargana, and in that meeting he expressed dissatisfaction with the work of the municipality. In the meeting of Nozrul Satababdi Sadan in Madhya Gram on Wednesday he reminded the administrator by naming each municipality staff said those who do not do well will have to think in the future. He will also directed to appoint a supervisor in each municipality. Supervisor will travel around the city to collect work record and speak to the general public. Keep an eye on how a councillor is doing. The report will go to the chief minister. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249775. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Toto driver from bus driver and staff regarding tasking passenger at Baranpur bus stand of Asansol on Wednesday morning got entangled. First there was a fight, then a fight. A bus employee has been accused of beating up Toto drivers. In this regard, the bus driver have logged a complaint at Hirapur police station. Due to the incident, the bus drivers union stopped all the totos in the area. This problem is causing trouble to many passengers. There is a tension in the area after the incident. It is noteworthy that the situation regarding Silpanchal regarding auto and Toto remains explosive. Toto is being sold illegally despite the ban in various areas. It is difficult for people to walk on the Horton Road of Asansol. On the other hand, despite the stop on GT Road, Toto and auto are running wildly. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. A young man openly steals an iron angle from the forest near Asansol Railway Divisional Office. Was going from then suddenly two jawans of Railway Security Force snatched him on the charge of stealing railway property. A large crowd gathered at a spot. The young man accused of theft was picked up with the great difficulty and then taken to the police station. In the investigation of the young man, the officers of the railway security force and the young man also seized the stolen iron angle at the spot gone. Vinav Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 23111920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Jamuria, Dilip Saw, according to make 3-day hunger strike from number 23 a success in front of Jacks and Siripur area gate. Preparation was demonstrated by performing vigorously. Virendra Mahato said that the hunger strike will be called to the ECL headquarters on behalf of all Jack regarding the three different demands against Coal India on the forthcoming period number 23 against Coal India from acting in the arbitrary manner. Coal India ECL personal security housing meeting, welfare meeting, home repairing and promotion as well as our various demands. This hunger strike is being carried out against Coal India. There was an instruction from a high officials of ECL that there are as many unions as there are Jacks. A meeting was held with them to discuss various issues, but suddenly it has also been closed. The hunger strike movement is being organized by all Jacks unions so that this loud voice of various can reach the high officials of Coal India. Singh, Ram Kumar, Nonia, etc. were mainly present. News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830285/700196727 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. November 17, the Land Protection and Struggle Committee of Purulia District staged a protest on Wednesday alleging several cases of corruption in the Land and Land Reform Office of Huda Block. According to the information, the Land Demands Committee staged a protest in front of BL and LRO office in Huda Block of Purulia District on Wednesday. Their main demands are speedy resolution of all types of petition by hearing, the need to increase the number of RO in the BL and LRO office, quick resolution of issues related to the movement of dishonest worker in the office. Alanda Mahato, chairman of the Land Defense Committee, Swapan Kumar Murmu, secretary of committee, and Sita Ram Mahato in charge were present on the occasion. Sita Ram Mahato said that people are harassing many corrupt people in BL and LRO office. Today we have given a written memorandum to BLRO that if this problem is not solved, then we will be forced to make a big movement.
তো কি সাবজেক্টের উপরে আপনাদের অবস্থান বিক্ষোভ ছিল?
আমাদের সরকারি যে এলআরএর রেকর্ড করার সংক্রান্ত যে বিষয়টা ঘোষণা করেছে সেটাকে কেন্দ্র করেই আমাদের আজ 3 বছর ধরেই রেকর্ড যেভাবে হওয়ার কথা সেইভাবে রেকর্ড হয়নি এবং সেখানেও আমাদের বহু গ্রামের পর গ্রাম মানে ওই উত্তরাধিকার সূত্রে যাদের আসার কথা ছিল সেটা না আসে ওর বাবা বা ঠাকুরদাতার নামে রেকর্ডটা আছে সেটা রেকর্ড করানোর দাবিতেই আমাদের এই বিক্ষোভ ডেপুটেশনটা ছিল।
একটাই দাবি ছিল
না, দাবি অনেকগুলোই ছিল। ধরুন এইখানে হচ্ছে দলিল এবং এইখানের স্টাফ এইখানের যে সমস্ত যে বিষয়গুলোকে নিয়েই যেটা আমাদের মিসপিটিশন দ্রুত গতিতে করা, এইখানে দালাল চক্রকে বন্ধ করা, এইখানে যাতে সঠিকভাবে হিয়ারিংয়ে ডাকা সময় সুযোগ দেওয়া, একদিন যদি সেই সময়ে কোনো কারণে আসতে না পারল সেটাকে বাতিল করে আবার নতুন করে আবেদন করার যে ব্যয়বহুল খরচ এবং যাতে এটা বন্ধ করা যায় সেই কারণে আমাদের 9 দফা দাবির ভিত্তিতেই আজকে আমাদের এখানে বিক্ষোভ ডেপুটেশন কর্মসূচি আমরা গ্রহণ করেছিলাম।
এটা কি ইচ্ছাকৃতভাবে আধিকারিকরা হয়রানি করছে মানুষকে, কি মনে করছেন?
ইচ্ছাকৃত নয়, আজকে এখানে যে স্টাফ থাকা দরকার এবং যেভাবে করোনা পরিস্থিতিতে কাজ মানে বন্ধ রাখে তার যে ধারা, সেই ধারায় কাজ একটুকুও হয় না, অথচ সেই ধারাকে বাদ দিয়ে আবার দ্বিতীয় ধারার কাজটা তারা করতে চাইছে। সরকারি পলিসিটাকেই তারা গুরুত্ব দিচ্ছে, অথচ যেখানে কাজেই হলো না সেখানে দ্বিতীয় ধারায় যাতে না হয়, প্রথম ধারার থেকেই যাতে আগা কাজটা শুরু করে, তার জন্য আমাদের এইখানে এই ডিমান্ডটা আছে যে অনলাইনে নয়, অফলাইনে সমস্ত দলিল আমাদের রেকর্ড করতে হবে।
ডেপুটেশন দিতে গেলেন, বিএলআর সাহেব কি বললেন?
বিএলআরও সাহেব বললেন যে সরকারি গাইডলাইন আছে, তার বাইরে যদিও আমাদের এই আন্দোলনের চাপে এইখানে একটা অবরোধ হয়েছিল, সেইখানে এসডিএলআরও কথা দিয়েছিলেন যে এইখানে অফলাইনেই আপনাদের এইখানে রেকর্ডগুলো হবে, এবং তার ভিত্তিতে ফাইলও আমরা জমা দিয়েছি। তারা বলছেন যে আমরা অল্প স্বল্প করেছি, বাকিটা পড়ে আছে। আমরা কিন্তু যেগুলা ফাইল জমা দেওয়া আছে সেই ফাইল আমরা অফলাইনেই করব, এই প্রতিশ্রুতি দিল, এবং তার ফলে আমাদের এইখানে আমাদের যে ডেপুটেশন তার অনেকটাই সে মানে নিয়েছে, এবং যাতে এই আগামী এক সপ্তাহ
Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. Pawan Sarma. According WB liquor price 3 days ago, there was a good news is declaring at last he came. As per the previous announcement, the price of foreign liquor made in India has come down since Tuesday. The state excise department has also released a new price list for liquor. Price of rum, whiskey and beer have all come down. West Bengal liquor price, the excise department had issued a notification in this regard last Friday. Dealer can find out the selling price of any liquor from the portal of West Bengal State Beverage Corruption Corporation, BEVCO. However, sources in the excise department said that a new liquor would not be supplied to any dealer in the next few days. This time, new prices will be added to old stock wine and bottle. However, dealers will be able to pick up liquor only after the BVCO's portal is relaunched. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Yeah, like every year in remembrance of the November resolution in then the Soviet Union, this year to the CPIM, a rally was organized in Jamuria area from the site. After this, a meeting was organized here. The rally started from Chokdola, turned to Kaskinda party office and was attended by CPI leader, district secretary Gaurang Chatterjee, area committee secretary Manoj Datta, Jamuria former MLA Jahana Khan, Khet Majdoor Union Sukumar Sangui, Kisan Khet Majdoor Unions Kajal Bawari, and many local CPI leaders and activities were. In this contest, Manoj Datta said that every year, this year also, a rally was taken out from Chakdola to Kaskenda party office in remembrance of the November resolution. He said that this was the first time in history of the world when a government of common man was formed, which brought justice to deprived section of women worker society. At the same time, during this 74th year rule, the communist government took many decisions that set an example for the whole world. He said that the way the anti-people government of the TMC and BJP are running today has created a need for such a movement in India as well as. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Now I am presenting SMS of News Moment. Nature will bear the closest inspection. She invites us to lay our eye level with her smallest leaf and take an insect view of its plane. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.